Ever pondered over why nations engage in trade with each other? It's not just about swapping goods and services. The answer lies in a concept known as comparative advantage. But what exactly is it? Let's delve into it. Imagine you have two countries, Country A and Country B. Country A is excellent at producing wine, while Country B excels at producing cheese. Now, Country A could dedicate all its resources to making both wine and cheese, and so could Country B. But that's not necessarily efficient or beneficial. Instead, each country focuses on what it does best. So, Country A produces more wine, and Country B produces more cheese. They then trade their surplus with each other. This way, both countries end up with more wine and cheese than they would if they tried to produce everything themselves. This, dear listeners, is the principle of comparative advantage. To bring this concept closer to home, think about a group project. One person might be great at research, another at presenting, and yet another at designing the PowerPoint. If everyone tried to do everything, it would be a mess. But if each person focuses on their area of expertise, the project becomes a lot smoother and more efficient. That's comparative advantage at work on a micro level. So, what have we learned? Comparative advantage is all about specialization and trade. Countries, companies, even individuals can benefit from focusing on what they do best and trading for the rest. It's not about being the best at everything, but about maximizing efficiency and mutual benefit. Remember, it's not about how many goods or services you can produce, but rather how efficiently you can produce them. It's not about self-sufficiency, but about cooperation and trade. That's the magic of comparative advantage. Next time you ponder why your nation imports some goods or services, or why you've a particular task in a group project, recall comparative advantage. This basic concept influences our economies, workplaces, and lives. The theory illustrates how countries and individuals focus on producing what they can do best. It us to excel and innovate, shaping the world. As we conclude our discussion on comparative advantage, don't forget to revisit for more financial guidance. Like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Thanks for watching.